The Pennsylvania State University College of Earth and Mineral Sciences, Department of Energy and Mineral Engineering presents the Electrochemical Laboratory Instructional Video for Copper Potential Measurements. This video will demonstrate the relationship between electrode potential, solution activity, and ionic concentration. Equipment and materials. A high impedance electrometer for cell potential measurements, a reference electrode and copper working electrode, a test vessel, thermometer, stir rod, and magnetic stirrer. 5 aqueous copper sulfate test solutions, and sulfuric acid added to maintain the pH of the solutions. Experimental procedure. For accurate results, before and between each experiment, we will thoroughly rinse the test vessel with distilled water and collect the rinse water in a waste beaker. We will also rinse the thermometer, copper working electrode, and reference electrode all into the same waste beaker between each experiment and before the first experiment. The copper electrode should be thoroughly sanded and cleaned before the experiment begins. The first measurement made will be using the 0.001 molar copper sulfate solution. Transfer the solution from the volumetric flask into the test vessel. Place the magnetic stir rod in the vessel and then submerge the thermometer, working electrode, and reference electrode such that the reference electrode should be underneath the aqueous solution. Power on the high impedance electrometer and press the zero check button. After some time, a stable cell potential will be achieved between the working copper electrode and the reference electrode. Record this value and then remove the electrodes from solution and rinse into the waste beaker. Return the test solution back to the storage container it was taken from initially. Be sure to rinse and dry the test vessel before adding the next solution. We'll repeat the same procedure for the next 4 test solutions. Be sure to save the test solution so that it may be reused by future students, and to collect all rinse water in the waste beaker and store it properly under the sink. Be sure to wash and dry all glassware after the experiment is finished and return the electronics. Return the test solution to the storage containers and properly store away any waste copper sulfate under the sink in the marked vessel.